Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Spice Girl Recipes. Today I am going to make one of my favorite dessert which takes me back to my summer school holidays. It is mango Malai Kulfi. So friends, let's see how to make this recipe. These are the ingredients to make the mango Malai Kulfi. Here I took 2 mangoes cut into small pieces, 8 tablespoons of sugar, some chopped pistachios, few strands of saffron, 200 ml of fresh cream and 1.5 liter of full cream milk. Heat a thick bottom pan over a medium flame. Add the full cream milk into it. And stir it well. When the milk comes to boil, add the fresh cream into it. Mix the cream nicely into the milk. Stir it occasionally to prevent the milk sticking to the bottom of the pan. Next, I am going to add few strands of saffron and sugar into it. Mix all the ingredients well. Add the chopped pistachios into it. Stir it well and cook it over a low flame. Meanwhile, I am going to prepare the mango pulp. For this, transfer the mango pieces into a mixer and grind it. Mango pulp is ready. See guys, the milk has thickened. Stir it well and add the mango pulp into the milk. Stir well until the mango pulp completely blends into the milk. Turn off the flame when the mixture comes to a saucy consistency and cool it down to the room temperature. Transfer the kulfi mixture into the kulfi mold. Cover it and keep it into the freezer for minimum 5 hours. Take out the kulfis from the freezer after 5 hours. Dip one mold into the warm water and gently remove the kulfi from the mold and serve it immediately. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.